Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Grant and thank you for joining me again on my presentation regarding Nicolini Law Firm damages, my experience, okay? Please feel free to pause and read as I go along. You will notice that I've included slides that we have already been through, right, on other presentations, but this is regarding Nicolini law. I'll be going through quickly. If you want to pause and read, that would be great. However, I'm just going through because this is his part of the story, okay? Nicolini laws Nicolini law, Adrian Nicolini story regarding my situation, okay? Please feel free to pause and read. Welcome to part 2 of 3 of 2018, okay? On March 28, 2018, Money Life Insurance forwarded Dr. Erin Boynton's report to Dr. James Chang, Adrian Nicolini, Wsib lawyer, and myself. Dr. Silverberg, the specialist, was ignored. Money Life requested a report from Dr. James Chang on a reason why I should remain off work. Dr. James Chang, my family doctor, states that he did not wish to be involved. Money Life Insurance should contact Dr. Silverberg, the specialist, and not him. After several visits, Dr. James Chang's office, between Dr. James Chang's office, March 29, 2018 and May 22nd, 2018, he refused each time to provide a report. Again, Nicolini Law Firm knew all of this, okay? Please feel free to pause and read. Here, you can see we've been through this already. Money Life Insurance sent this report on March 28, 2018 to Dr. Chang. Now, what Money Life Insurance did, went without my consent to an assessment firm and got the go-ahead to distribute the report. It's like, I don't have any say in my life. It's like, is this country trying to dictate? My rights were violated here. What do you think, eh? If I didn't sign a consent form, does Money Life have the right to go behind my back to have someone else give the go-ahead? No, I don't think they do have that right. Please feel free to comment on that, okay? Please feel free to read. We went through this already, okay? Here it is. We receive release from the assessment firm allowing us to share the IME result with Dr. Chang. So not to the specialist. So we got it. See here, and Adrian didn't say anything because to me this is a violation of my rights. Okay, so Adele, and I tell you, that's why I had to ask Adrian to take over because Adele was a bully, and how she spoke to me, shouting and all that. You understand? So in other words, if I don't do as she say, this is what's gonna happen. That's why I got the lawyer involved. So here she did it again. She went behind my back and did this, and Adrian Nicolini, I thought, would have dealt with the matter. But okay, this is proof, all right, that he was aware. I've included this because I'm making sure that you understand he was aware of all that was going on, right? And I was being forced back to work, all right? It says here that if they do not get the response, if I do not return, I guess, as it says here, therefore your short-term disability benefits are suspended as of April 2nd. Please note that new medical information is required to consider your absence from work authorized. A response from your physician and or updated medical information is required by April 23rd, 2018, right? So they effectively seized my salary as of April 2nd, 2018. And this again, Nicolini law, Adrian Nicolini knew about. Please feel free to pause and read, okay? March 28, Dr. James Chang, Adrian Nicolini knew that they're trying, and he did not say anything. Adrian Nicolini did say in 2017 that he did not wish to get involved with the medical system. And as you can see, I'm not lying on him, because here it's understandable what's written here, right? That report was sent to my doctor, Dr. James Chan, March 28. And again here, report was sent. Adrian Nicolini has been aware. And nothing, and no advice, nothing. Please feel free to pause and read, okay? Something was brewing and I was unaware. Okay, I got this letter from Workplace Safety and Insurance Appeals Tribunal, right? And the mobility's lawyer, Mr. Hussein Moftaderi, Hicks Morley Law, was added to the Wsib communication, right, as you can see here, on April 13, 2018, a day after I was requested by Man Life Insurance to return to work, excuse me, on April 12, 2018. One of my co-workers told me that she heard that Bell had retained the biggest law firm in Canada, Hicks Morley Law, to fight my case. I really had good evidences on my company. Yep. Okay, since I had retained Nicolini Law Firm on April 10, 2017, I have not received any communication regarding my claim. Now over a year, I have only received communication from WSIB with updates of the claim. I did not have any idea of the process, since I was told by Adrian Nicolini that my claim would take 2 years. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. But this lawyer was dangerous. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. On the 18th of April, this is an ultrasound. I already provided information on that during my Man Life presentation. Okay, just letting you know that Adrian Nicolini was also aware, and Man Life responded to Adrian Nicolini. Okay, Adele responded. An ultrasound report was received from your MD. This information cannot validate your ongoing absence from work. Okay. Here again now on the 24th, when everything, as of the 23rd, still did not receive anything from my physician, right? They said that my time away from work was not authorized. All right, so Adrian Nicolini was aware. Okay, he has been kept in the loop, and no advice given. Starting getting one letter from Bell Mobility, and I also informed Adrian Nicolini. Okay, I'm keeping the lawyer up to date, step by step. And another thing, I'll let him know. Okay. On the 25th of April 2018, I received this letter from WSIAT, and again, as you can see, Hussein Moftaderi, Hicks Morley Law, has been included in it, and it was this letter was addressed to Adrian Nicolini. I was just copied in on it. Okay, feel free to pause and read. Okay. And this is interested. For those who know the law here in Canada, you can confirm if this was the right thing that Adrian Nicolini did. Okay, so Ashland Steel, this was done on April 30th. So when I started getting the warning letter on April 27th, right, 2018, and knowing that my salary had ceased on April 2nd, right, I got this email from Ashland Steel on April 30th, and it says, further to your discussion with Mr. Nicolini, kindly find attached a blank CPP medical report to be completed by your family doctor. Upon completion, kindly return the CPP medical report to our office directly or ask your doctor to fax a copy to our office and that's the number. Please advise your doctor to not submit the CPP medical report to Service Canada. We will be forwarding the medical report directly along with your application. With my application, not even understanding that, with my application. Okay, medical report to physician. So I got that from my doctor to complete the CPP disability report. Okay. All right. My WSIB lawyer, right? Workplace Safety Insurance Board. Should I have gotten this? Nothing was explained to me. I just got this form. Okay. Please feel free to pause and read. Okay. From my understanding after the fact, after everything, and I investigated. To me, I should not have received this. And I did not know. Okay? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. May 2018. Again, I was not informed. Forgery of signature number 2. In May 2018, Adrian Nicolini received an email from one of Bell's lawyers after Adrian Nicolini had sent an email to my supervisor on May 1st, 2018. Nicolini Law Firm did it again. Instead of informing me and advised that I attend this office for my signature, I was unaware once again of an authorization form. My signature was forged again by Nicolini Law Firm. It's partially hidden because it was close to my signature. Yeah, the thing is, here, the first forgery was when Manlife got involved. Okay, when I asked him to get involved with Manlife, then I see the CPP email, right, and it says along with my applications. It didn't click there then, It didn't click at all, right? So I guess what's coming next. Okay, we'll get there. All right, just bear that section in mind. And then now, because Adrian Nicolini sent a letter to my supervisor, the Bell lawyer responded. But what did Adrian Nicolini did? His office signed up again and forwarded my signature. That is as if it's my consent. Was this the right thing to do? I don't think so. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Okay. On the 1st of May 2018, please feel free to pause and read. This was it. I gave Adrian Nicolini a copy of this ultrasound, all right? But here, on May 1st, it shows here Adrian to Albert, and Albert was my supervisor, and he sent the letter, right? And when he sent the letter, Adrian Nicolini got a response from Bell's lawyer. Okay? Feel free to pause and read. We went through this already, okay? Here it is. On the 3rd of May 2018. Oh, okay. I guess because he had to send that email to my supervisor, right? He did that forgery. Okay? And on May 3rd, it shows here that Bell lawyer responded, as you can see, senior legal counsel. Okay, and her name was Jessica Reed. And that's when she made mention about the workplace solutions. Okay, we went through this already. CBI, workplace solutions. Okay, that our job is 51% idle time and all that. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. This warning letter, which I received on May 14, 2018. Okay, second warning letter. I contacted Adrian Nicolini Law Firm to inform him, okay, that I got another warning letter and that I spoke with my supervisor. All right, please feel free to pause and read. This, again, to prove Adrian Nicolini was aware of everything and was responding on my behalf. Okay, as you see here, Adrian Nicolini sent this to me, right, on May 15, 2018, stating that please see email below sent yesterday. So he did this on my behalf from Adrian to Jessica Reed, and he also made mention, I went through this already, about the keyboarding, and no, it was not advisable to go back, and that Dr. Erin Boynton is her work is one-sided, as he made note here, right? And as I can tell you, yes, I would agree with that. And that many times he said that our findings have not been accepted at trial, but on a number of occasions. Okay, please pause and read. We already went through this on my presentation on Manulife Insurance. Okay. Terminated from my job of 20 years with an injury. Went through that already and all that. Please feel free to pause and read. All right. Okay. We did this under Bell Mobility's presentation. Okay. Terminated from Bell Mobility without severance pay, and we went through this already. All right, so I'm gonna speed through. Okay, Dr. James Chang finally sent a report on May 25th, 2018 to Manulife Insurance after several attempts within 2 months for him to intervene. Wow. Here I've brought forward again the email that was sent to my supervisor from Adrian Nicolini. Okay, that email, based on what Bell was stating here, you see, they sent the letter with faded. It was a light print letter, termination letter. So sorry, it has to be like this, right? But based on this information here, I have included this email, which stated, as you are aware, right, we have been retained to represent Miss Grant with respect to injuries arising out of her disability. And here it's a WSIB. It's supposed to be WSIB because I retained them as my WSIB lawyer. Okay, and Adrian made a comment, this paragraph here. I'm not sure why he included this. This was never communicated to me. Maybe he thought he did, but no. So I'm not in agreement. But whatever else he stated, based on here, yes, Bell was trying to indicate that our job was low risk. So he, Adrian Nicolini, stated that in fact, Miss Grant's treating physician, Dr. Silverberg, has confirmed that a return to her regular position will only serve to worsen her medical condition. Right? They still insisted that I return to my regular position and all that. So Adrian actually dealt with the matter on my behalf. Okay? Please feel free to pause and read if you can. Thank you. And here I was terminated from my job. And I sent actually, I sent an email to Adrian to inform him that I got a letter on the 24th of 28. So along the way, anytime, whether it was my doctor or whether it's from my workplace, I kept Adrian Nicolini informed. Okay? I do not know why I lost my job. I thought this lawyer was representing me. Okay? Feel free to pause and read. And I will see you over on part 3 of 2018. Okay? Thank you for your time. Okay?